Hello class and welcome to your week 6 of 8. So we are now headed toward the finish line. It is now the month of May. So this week we are getting into your final project, which is your essay 3. In addition, you will have a final exam, which we'll talk about more next week. It's not easy to write a paper in just a couple of weeks. It's not easy to write 3 or 4 papers in only 8 weeks. So you guys are doing a great job. So this week we're getting into a little more about research because you will be doing some of your own research for this paper. This paper is about the same topic that we've been exploring, but this time you're using that research or those articles and then some additional research to create your own argument about that topic. So make sure that you pay close attention to the info and mini lectures on classical argument structure because that's what you'll be focusing on for your essay 3. In addition, as I mentioned, we're going to talk about incorporating sources into your paper, a little more review of deductive and inductive reasoning. We're going to read one more article and respond to it from your textbook, and then your outline is already due at the end of the week. If you don't have your research done at that point, that's fine, but you should have at least started to sculpt and organize the points that you want to focus on. And of course, those can change, but you should at least start mapping those out by the end of the week. If you turned in your essay 2, which was your in-class essay, I will grade that within 1 week of the day you turned it in. Please let me know if you have any questions. We'll have office hours on Tuesday from 11 to noon.